What's up, Warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin update here. As you can see, Bitcoin did come up. Let's look at the 15 minutes here. It did come up yesterday, right? Actually, on the 13th, it did come up. And then we had this drop here on the 14th, okay? So basically, for one day, it did move to the upside, and then we did have this drop to the downside. And I was explaining to people on the videos that if we lose this section around here, that if we cannot reclaim 41,500 or so, then most likely we're going to revisit the bottom section of this range here. Okay, that's what happened, right? So you need to be ready for these things. You need to have a bearish and a bullish scenario at all times. As you can see, I'm testing this indicator here that if people like, and we like as well. Excuse my dog. I think someone's at the door. Okay, but let's keep going here. As you can see, this indicator is actually giving you some different entries. It's giving you the type of garlies it is. It's giving you stop losses, it's giving you take profits, right? Now, this is on the 15 minutes. I actually did take this trade, okay? I did enter here. As you can see right now, is I minimize the color because it's already in action, the trade, okay? And when it's not in action, this is highlighted and it's showing you exactly where the entry is. All right, now as you can see, this is the 5 minute, right? On the 5 minute though, you got to remember that the trades are a little faster, okay? You can be in and out quicker, right? So before this even plays out around the 15 minute, which is longer, is most like a day trading type of strategy. On the 5 minute, you're gonna be basically just trading back and forth, multiple times an hour, probably even every few hours. You're going to be in and out over and over again. On the 15 minutes, you might do one to maybe three, tops five trades a day, right? If you're there from the morning to the nighttime and stuff like that. In crypto, you can be 24 hours a day. On the 5 minutes though, you're gonna have a little more, right? You're gonna have like 3, 5, maybe 10 trades that day, right? So this is why this was actually also showing this Gartley here, but because it keeps moving back and forth in the 5 minutes, it's just giving you entries after entries after entries with these strategies, right? So when this one comes out, as you can see, if this one ends all the way to target 4 in profits at 39,274, if you enter this one on the 15 minute, you still will not get kicked out. You still be in play, right? So this can still come back down and then still move up to the upside. So I'm testing all of this back and forth. But what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna create a bot around this section, right? And be able to show you guys what's happening. Be able to either in my Discord or on Telegram. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna do. Is where I'm gonna have those sections there, and every time, let's say an example, we do it on the 5 minute. Every time this one gets activated with some extra special settings that I have, where it makes it almost 100% success rate. I'm not saying that's what it is, but it will be around the 80, 90 to sometimes even 100% success rate on these trades. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna have my programmer set it up, and every time this is showing here nonstop, it's gonna be sending that alert into Discord or Telegram. I'm not sure where, and then from there I might even create even a bot where it's gonna trade for me automatically, right? Let me show you guys. So basically that's what it is. As you can see though, right now this is also active because it was activated, so the entry is now grayed out. That's because this Gartley was activated already. It's in trade right now as we speak. The stop loss is here, and then the entry was here, and then the first take profits and all of that, right? So right now I'm testing though. So I don't know if I will use this, but most likely because I have some other strategies there that I use it with, some other confluences. It's actually working out pretty well. Like I said, I actually took this long on the 15 minutes, okay? And I am actually in the trade already in profits. I'm just gonna let it play out, even if I get stopped out. I'm testing right now with real money, paper fake money. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Remember that everything we do here is paper money. All right, so yeah. Anyways, from there, if this is working now and I like it and it's just hitting it, with my strategy and everything like that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a service where you guys will get these alerts, like I said, either on Discord and Telegram, and then you guys will get alerted every single time there's a new either Gartley or bat or whatever it is. Once it gets printed out and it's in active, it's gonna send the alert, and then you guys can do whatever you want with that information. It will be a monthly subscription for that, okay? Because we're gonna be running on this and we're gonna be doing it on crypto, stocks, forex, a little bit of everything there, because it works for everything. All right, it's amazing. I love it. So either way, right now for the Bitcoin, as you can see, personally, I don't, I know that right now we did have this drop again. I could see us even going lower. Okay, if we don't have any strength here this next few days, we can probably come back up to around that 41 to 42,000 to retest it again. If we can reclaim the 41,500 around this section here, okay, if we can reclaim that, let's just look here. All right, so if we can reclaim around this section here, then yes, we have a higher chance of moving back up. All right, if we don't and we have some weakness coming in, then most likely we're gonna start revisiting around that 37,000 to 35,000 area. Okay, so just make sure that you understand that. If you're going long, be careful. If you're going short, just be careful. Make sure you have your stop losses in place for invalidation, because the last thing you want to do is be in a trade and then all of a sudden it just either pumps or dumps and then you're a huge loss, right? Personally, for me, I did take this trade here, but I do have a stop loss over here where it gave me that signal. And then as soon as if I get kicked out, I'm gonna lose a couple $100. It doesn't matter to me because I'm in this for the long run. I'm always trading. I'm always active. I have my bots going. I just started a few bots. I take manual trades, and now I'm gonna be creating and also a bots for this, so it can manually trade for me, set up everything for me, take the profits, put the stop losses. As soon as it takes profit one, it will move the stop loss to break even with maybe some fees, and then let it ride. Let's say it goes to stop target number 2. I'm gonna see if I can program it to remove my stop loss from break even to target number 1. So then I'm always in profits nonstop, and I'm gonna see if I can set it up for crypto, forex, futures, stocks. So it's always trading for me nonstop with leverage and 24 hours a day. I love crypto because you can do it 24 hours a day, so it's amazing. So yeah, that's what it is right now. Remember, for if you're looking for the price for this, that's what I do here. Just remember, if we're able to reclaim this 41,500 here, then we can see ourselves try to do another test to come back up to around that 45,000 and to 48,000 area. If we can hit the 48,000 again, then most likely we can see if we can break that level. Right, as you can see, we're all around here. Okay, but if not, and we can have that, then we can see 37,000 to 35,000, and maybe even 30,000. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on what I'm working with right now. Like I said, I am creating the videos also for the bot training. Okay, so I'm switching things around a lot. I'm starting new videos for you guys that I'm recording right now for free as well, where there's some strategies that you guys can use. Okay, and I'm also going to be having this service here, which is going to be a monthly service. Okay, and I'm also just creating a lot of content for all of you. I hope you appreciate this, and make sure that if you're not a member, subscribe to my channel. If you make sure that you click the like button here, it really helps me out. And if you have any comments, let me know down below. All right, so have a great day, be safe out there, and remember, let the profits come to you.